What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning Laravel. My name is QDS Dani and you guys are watching my channel Roywood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna talk about the single slash route which we're gonna use with the group. We're gonna talk about the fallback route, and finally we're gonna use revisit the name route with the group. Alright, so now if we're gonna come here and say we have used in the previous video with the admin, and we didn't have to put an admin again, so we just put a login here. Say for example, now we're gonna come here and say put an admin, and that's pretty much fine. What about we put a register, and you're gonna see a register page. What happens if we're gonna come in, just put admin, and you're gonna see here we got a 404 not found error because admin page doesn't exist. Okay, I'll show you guys a simple, very easy trick. If you guys gonna come and we just put it here, we put a route and we put a get. So what we're gonna get this. So don't be confused this one with this guy here, because that's a root and this is inside the group, because this is getting the group root. So this is totally different from the top one. So we put a function. Alright, so now we're going to type the same one. We're going to type admin, and we're going to try this with the login as well, just because we're putting this one. So we're putting the forward slash. We're going to come here and we're going to try again. And you're looking here, the error gone away. It means it's ready. It means it is ready for anything here. If you guys want to write, say for example, if you want to do, say we're going to remove now, we're going to remove the login, we're going to remove the register, and we're going to remove the dashboard. So now it makes it a lot easier. We can control S and say for example we're going to do login, and it's logged in. It's working pretty much fine. And then we put a register, and register works pretty much fine. So then we put a dashboard. Dashboard works pretty much fine. So now if you look in here, by just placing this guy here, you guys have make your life a lot easier. So you don't have to put this slash anymore. You just put it once and that's it. So if you say for example, if you're making a group, instead of putting this one all the time, going here and then here forward slashes, you're going to get tired. Your hands going to get tired. So all you got to do is just put once, and this is the root. You're just effectively telling Laravel that this is a root for the group, just like here. But that's a different story. Keep in mind, you cannot compare with this one. This one's sitting open at the top, but this one's inside the group. So keep in mind, this is inside the group of admin. Say admin is a country, and this is the boundary of the admin. Just think of this like this. Whereas the second one that we're going to talk about is fallback route. What is fallback routes? For example, we're going to come here and we have a nice website here. For example, the user comes here and searches something, for example animals zoo, for example, and there's no such thing as animal zoo because it's got a 404. It's a Laravel's internal 404 page not found error. For example, if the error put a XYZ, the user is gonna put a XYZ, so the Laravel's then gonna so say, look, whatever you're searching for is not found. We can handle this with our own. For example, we can put a route, and I tell you that I'm going to show you now the power of Laravel. So because Laravel is very, very powerful, we put a fallback, and inside the fallback you just put a function. That's it, easy peasy. So now you can put your custom message here. You can put a draw something, or you can put a return, and then in return you can put a, say for example, h3, and you can put in between the H3. It says hey buddy, you seems to be lost. You are at wrong page. Make U-turn and go back. You can put a very smiley face if you want. You can put this face, very smiley face. Alright, so now instead of we getting Laravel's internal 404 message, we can get our own message. Very funny, because the user is going to get very excited. User is going to look at this, and he says, "Wow, what a website you have! What a cool website." We say, "Hey buddy, you seems to be lost. You are at the wrong page. Make U-turn and go back." Okay, you're gonna see this sort of messages in a Google's pages as well. So here you're gonna see here, and that's our message that we're gonna do. You can put a, say for example, styling. You can put a style, and you can put a lot of other things. You can, with the help of JavaScript, to make it look like in the middle. And say for example, people is going to come here and says, for example, searches in our website Washington DC page. Now we're going to get this one. Says we're going to say, "Hey buddy, you seems to be lost. You're at the wrong page. Please," you can put a "please make U-turn and go back." You can add a "please" as well, so you can make it to be more polite and more professional. We can make a "please." If users, for example, touches his or her hand by mistake and type something, instead of seeing 404, you can see our own custom made. So this is called Laravel Fallback. And keep in mind, before Laravel 5.6, we had something like this. So we put a route, we put any, and inside the route any, and we can put it here. That was more scary. We can put anything, and here, and then you can put your controller, say ABC controller or error controller, and here, then you put a where, and you put anything. So that was before Laravel 5.6, but we have Laravel has moved from here, and they don't put it here. So now you guys just put a fallback, and to make your websites cool, you can put a fallback. So you can route your, for example, you can put a name route in your admin. Say for example, now you have admin. Now we're going to come and put a name route. I'm going to take it a little bit closer. Say now we have a route. For example, in our admin, we add a name. Alright, so what we're going to name our route, say for example, we're going to put admin. Say our route was admin. We put a dot. If you look in here, we put a prefix admin. In our group, we still have a group, because now we're gonna put an arrow and we put a group. We still have a group, but now our groups is we have a name our group, so we put a function. So now we can get, for example, log in, and from admin we can come and do exactly the same that we have learned. So we put a route, and we put a get. So what we're gonna get, for example, login, and we can name our route login. We can name it login as well. For example, we can name login, and here we can put a function. And inside the function we can put a return, and what we're going to return admin dot login. We can do this with our admin. So how this one's useful? This one's useful when we're gonna say, for example, if you want to admin.login. So we copy this one, and we're gonna go all the way to here, the resources, and we're gonna go on the welcome. If you guys gonna see here, before we have created something here, we put a href. So here we put another href here. For example, if you want to redirect users to go on admin.login, we put a route, we put a admin.login here. We put a admin.login. Go to admin login page. Go to admin login page. So that's what we are now. Say for example, we don't need an ID. Okay, so we just want to redirect the user to go to admin login page. You can go from here, up to you, but we're going to try from here first, and we're going to come here and say, for example, now, and here it says go to admin login page, and once we're gonna come here and add admin login. So here, if you look in here, that looks very cool, because we have created a link that was go student page. Now we created link that goes from here to there to the admin. So with the help of this route, and if you look in here, we're returning this one, admin.login. You can put a welcome to admin login page. We can put something like a welcome, and if we put it again, for example, we can go to welcome to admin login page. We just log in our users login page. So we have effectively put a name our group. Keep in mind that here we are still in the group. If you look in here, we are in the group, but we name our group. So that's how we name our group with the admin.login. You still can do that. So the first one is that you guys need to put a route admin, and then you put a group, and then you put what's your group. Your group is going to be login. Keep in mind we don't have even the slashes here still, because here we already defined here our slash here. We don't need a slash. We just put our login, and we just put our name here with the login, and anywhere from our code we put it, we're gonna get straight there. Say for example, if we're gonna come and welcome and copy both of them, and we move it to students.blade, and here we say welcome, and we put another div. So we put in a div, and here class, and we put a panel default. So inside the panel default, we can put our links here. So we save all, and we can go to the students. So if we go to the students, and you can see here we have go to students page, go to admin login page. For example, if we're gonna put a break br, then we're gonna go here. So I'm gonna put it here. Now if you look in here, go to students page, go to admin login page. Now we are in the admin login page. How cool is this? So I'll recap this one again, because our programs, we're getting more and more experience with the Laravel, and we're getting more and more advanced. So we are learning a lot of new stuff. First of all, that you guys need to put this slash with your route if you don't want to use it here with your login with all your pages to make your life easier. The second one is for the fallback route to show your custom 404 message, and the third one is that the name route. You're still using the group, and keep in mind that in the future videos we're gonna adjust, we're gonna put our middleware with our group. How cool is this? So you guys should be very excited, because you guys gonna learn a lot of new tricks and very powerful stuff inside the Laravel. And make sure you subscribe our channel to receive more cool videos about the Laravel. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Cryowood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.